What is up, my love? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys this bomb DIY that I just did. I turned a old dress into a two-piece outfit, and I love the way it turned out. So if you guys are interested on that, please keep on watching. I used to love doing these DIY, you guys, but now I stopped. Anyways, let's get right into it, you guys. So just look for any super old dress that you don't like anymore. This dress, I got it, I don't even know how long ago. Like, that's how old it is. So I thought I would, make it in a two-piece, because why not? You already have the top and the bottom, so let's just do it. It's super easy. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just cutting it right on the waistline, wherever, as short as you want your top, basically, and as long as you want your skirt. The top, I'm going to be creating a crop top. I love crop top. You guys know that's like my favorite thing to wear. Like, I love crop top. So I'm just gonna turn it into a crop top. Right now, the skirt, this is how it looks. So we're just gonna put that to a side and show you how I create that crop top, basically. Well, it's already done for you, but you can tweak it around a little bit. I'm cutting the neckline just to give it more of a off the shoulder effect. Super easy, super quick. I'm also cutting down the center on the top and on the bottom as well. On the bottom, I'm doing this just to tie it up as a knot like that and make it look more edgy, super cute, and all that good stuff. Definitely didn't like how I did the top part, but it is what it is. I still like how it turned out, and this is just a super quick way just to create a cute crop top if you have old old dresses that you do not use anymore. Next, we're taking the neckline, which is like almost a like a stretchy band, and that's what I'm going to be using for my waist of the skirt, just to have some support. As you can see, it's super stretchy and I like that. This is like perfect for the it's gonna give support to the skirt, because obviously you guys can see right now that it doesn't have anything on the top, so it's not gonna hold your waist, and we want something holding your waist to make everything look nice, tucked in. All those chichos, all those love handles are gonna be tucked in with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my sewing machine. If you guys know, I love sewing, I don't know how to say it. I usually show you guys on my Instagram, Snapchat, when I'm sewing and things like that. Like, I love to sew little things. So I'm just sewing, I'm stretching the band, as you can see it here, and just sewing it onto the skirt. And this is basically a support, once again, you guys, for the skirt to stay on your waist and not fall down or roll down. And also it's gonna give a shape to the waist, to your body, making it squeezed in. I don't know, I'm explaining everything so wrong, but you guys can see here what I'm doing. Actually, this didn't go well because the little neckline that I used for the waist of the skirt was actually too small for me. So I just ended up removing the whole neck part that I did on my skirt and just use something else different that ended up working for me. So you can use anything, you have to first measure your waist, actually, which I didn't do. I don't know why. It didn't work out with this one, but yeah, once you do measure out whatever you're gonna put on the waist, just make sure it measures with your waist. Anyways, you guys, so the last thing that I did was add some rhinestone. This rhinestone, I got it from Michael Craft Store. They were super easy to put on. I used the E6000 glue, which I'm pretty sure everybody uses. Well, I've been using it for years because I love it, and it gave such a beautiful, cute, glamorous vibe to the skirt. I freaking love how it ended up looking, you guys. This whole look, it looks freaking brand new and super easy. But yeah, this is it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one.